I was living in Maryland. I was out. I was out Orlando. I was out Maryland. Yeah, home of the Redskins. Believe that. The new home.
Lead that.
Believe that.
Either then.
Yeah. So, I don't know. It's been up and down, and then the studio started acting funny with me. Basically, like they just kind of. You about ready, man? I don't know what the hell that was just now. McDonald's frying cats or some shit. Yeah, man. But that's just what was going down.
Yeah. And so, and then after that, you just sort of kind of decided to focus more on poetry.
Kind of like it was a gradual process.
Yeah.
Just kind of fell back into poetry, written word.
Yeah.
You know, the cost of the studio,
Yeah.
excuse me, all that stuff add up, man.
Yeah. So then poetry became kind of like also like
I mean,
the most viable option too.
these dudes when they're older, man. I brought that we came together off of my strength.
Yeah.
But then they got it in their head, like, you know, 'cause I had bought a caravan at the time. And I'm like, hey, man, how you, 'cause they wasn't used to somebody doing it outside of how they was doing it.
Yeah.
Hey, man, how you get a caravan, man? What you doing, man? You ain't got no tags. Paper tags sitting in the window. You know, what's all the alarm? Why you concerned with everything else but what we supposed to be working on? What we supposed to be focusing on? You know, what you judging me or something? It got like that.
Yeah.
You know,
Gotten away from.
yeah, I mean,
The art.
they was making something out of nothing.
Yeah.
I always stayed legit, dog.
Yeah.
So, you know, but they just saying like, instead of trusting and building, you know, they basically made something out of nothing. Oh man, oh man, what? Well, I'm blessed. We working on stuff. Can we? How I become the focus? You focusing on the wrong thing. You're not focusing on the goals we trying to accomplish.
Yeah.
You know, they got out of pocket basically. You know, cause that's how he's looking. All right, we go to the studio, we paying, but where your part? Hey, I work at the studio. This is my connect.
Yeah.
I'm putting you onto this. You know what I mean? And they was like, they couldn't handle that joint. You know, I'm getting a discount for that. I'm in with the owners.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They ain't respect that. They ain't want to respect that. So, you know.
So
It is
after a
what
while,
it is.
enough aggravation and stuff, it become worth it, huh?
Yeah, man.
Or is there like a specific blowout, or is it just like just too much trouble over time?
It just worsened.
Yeah.
It just grew to that.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, it's not like they was more hungry for it than I was. You know what I mean? It just grew. It was just egos, man. It grew to petty bigger, man.
Yeah. I guess you.
You know what I mean? Like, shoot. Like I took my baby mother over that joint that night when we was like meeting up. It was like a circus, man. It grew like a circus, a zoo. But we had good product when we got together and worked on some stuff. We came up with some good hooks and good songs.
Yeah.
But, you know, and then my man August, he said he would never, he started having time schedule conflicts. And he show up, you know, like you say, he already known down there for rapping and doing what he do. So these other cats like, man, that's your man, he gonna be ready. He gonna be ready. Yeah, I ended up being the one that ready. Like even now, when I do my poems, you know, I got to rewrite. I was the one that ready. They like, you gonna be ready? I'm like, man, are you ready?
Yeah.
We get to the joke, he just busts out his rap. He kept it professional as far as that. It was really these other two cats that had all the qualms about everything, man. But like I said, they was used to being their own group.
Yeah.
So I think that might have been what most of it was.
Yeah.
You know, it was basically a group within a group. But we did come up with some good creative stuff.
You have any of that stuff still?
Nah, man, I kind of lost contact with the studio, lost contact with them. But, you know, it's out there somewhere. I was passing them out, sending them out.
Yeah. Cool. Maybe we can find it sometime. We do some investigative work.
Yeah, that'll be neat. That'll be cool. I need to talk to them cats. We basically exploded.
Yeah, that should happen too.
Yeah,
Sooner or later.
it was about 5 of us. And they had like a third partner, so he made 6. My man with the beats for us, he ain't really rap. He just did the yeah. I mean, that joint had all the potential. People was loving that joint for real, you know?
Yeah.
My time to shine. My time to shine. Even in that concept, it was cool. Like, we all got strife. Yeah, my time to shine. Nah, my time to shine. That was the concept.
Like that.
Loving that joint, man.
It's
Then
true
we
to
all,
life though, huh?
then we all dropped some hot lyrics. We just like, yeah, we all just sat back like, yeah, we did that. We came together on that joint. Yeah, I miss that stuff.